up, y'all? Oh yeah? Oh no, I'm gonna wait a little bit. Good luck. Alright y'all, what's up? It's MLK weekend, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s B-Day, and I am out with a black ski group, snowboarding group. It's called Ski Noir 5280, the Mile High City where I live. And yeah, we are out here in a group that is all about diversifying the mountains. And if y'all don't know, these mountain adventures are expensive, and they provided everything for free. Literally the shuttle, the gear, the clothes, like everything was for free. So it's pretty incredible, like that they were able to put this together. I don't know how many there are of us, probably 70 maybe, 60 people. It's just beautiful to be in fellowship and community with all these black and brown people in a place that we aren't necessarily like finding ourselves in. So yeah, shout out to Ski Noir 5280. Definitely check them out. I'll link them below if you guys are in Colorado. Yeah, we just did snowboarding lessons, and it was fun. Y'all know I skateboard, so I definitely feel the skills transferring over a little bit. But we were on the baby hill. Now we're about to go to it's still a beginner hill, but the green hill, which is not like these bunny slopes. I'm nervous, I'm excited, but ultimately I'm just proud of myself and thankful that there's groups out here who are putting us into spaces that we aren't always in, you know? So happy Martin Luther King Day. Shout out to y'all. I hope you try something new. Let this be a sign to try something new this winter. This is how you get over the winter blues, y'all, is get outside. Even when it's cold, and it's not even that cold. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, and welcome me back. I'm so happy to be back this year. It's been y'all know I was gone for like a whole year. Mental health has its way of mental healthing, but we're back, y'all, and choosing to live, because what else are we supposed to do? So see you guys. I made some friends, y'all. They're about to go down. Yeah. We did the baby slope. Now we're on the little medium slope. Guys, we graduated from our snowboarding lesson, and we are on the magic carpet. We're about to go down this humongous hill. I'm excited. Wish me luck. We got it. Don't wanna be scared of love. Okay. You will, hoping you would. Was a bitch, but just a mate. Alright, y'all, we're at the top of the mountain. First attempt. So y'all, we're still on attempt 1. It hasn't made it down the mountain yet. This is way harder than it looks. This is coming from a girl who can skateboard. This is not easy. I'm gonna get it. Let's try to finish this mountain, and we're gonna do it again. y'all, we're wrapping up the final moments of this trip. It was so beautiful. I'm so glad I came. I came by myself, and honestly, I was really scared. So I just didn't know if I was gonna make friends. I felt kind of lonely and left out, but I ended up meeting so many really cool people and just had such a fun time. Tried a new sport, was in fellowship with other Black and brown people who are looking for a community, looking to try new things. Had great conversations about travel. Just met some super dope humans. So this is your sign to go to that thing by yourself. Sign up for a class. Go try something new. You don't have to be scared. Do it alone. You'll probably meet more people that way. So I'm gonna log out of this video now. I may have some footage of like us driving back, but overall this is probably the end of this vlog. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll definitely see you soon. I'll see you next week. Yeah. Peace.